Yeah, it's upside down. Let's put it down here. Put it down here somewhere. We'll have to find more pieces. There you go. Let's find another piece.
Mommy.
You think that goes over here, maybe?
Baby, it's up there.
Okay.
It's up there.
Yeah, that goes up there. That's right.
It's
Oh, you know what, Lucas? You were right. I'm sorry. Mommy was wrong. That does go over there. You had it over there, and I told you wrong. There you go. Try that piece. I'm sorry. There you go. Wow, good job. Now, if it doesn't fit that way, try it on the other side, Lucas. Try the other side. Now try it on this side.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Good job.
Other side. Other side. Okay. Just. And I'll just. Uh-oh. Gosh. Wow. I beautiful Fredfoot.
A beautiful fire truck. That's right.
Okay.
Okay. You did a great job, Lucas. Look at his fire truck. He has 4 little puzzles in here, and he's completed the train all by himself. Now the fire truck all by himself. What do you want to do next, the bus or the airplane?
Bus.
Okay.
Bus cheese.
Okay, let's put this back in.
Down here.
Down here.
Down here.
Look at that. He doesn't need any help. He can do, these are 12-piece puzzles all by himself. Look at that. He's so good at it.
Mommy, these children
All the children, that's right.
Us boy children are spinning over.
Look at you. You are so good, Lucas.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
up there.
Up there, that's right.
And down here. Wow.
Are these like... Let me scramble this.
Mommy, it's working. I shut down. Mommy,
Oh, somebody's
why
here.
this?
Somebody's here. Do we want to answer the door?